This is question 7 from the third revision test, and it's going to be even easier than the last one. So all this one is saying is, what is the, suppose that we've got this multi-variable regression and we've been given this output from Excel and saying what is the p-value of the hypothesis test, and that sounds like it's going to be really hard apart from the fact that the p-values are actually given to us by the output. So all that you need to know in order to get this question right is to observe here that the hypothesis test is doing a single-sided hypothesis, and to recall that the null hypothesis for the normal case that Excel is spitting out is that B3 is equal to 0, or that all the betas are equal to 0. And the H1 that we're testing again is that the beta, well, we'll call it beta I, is not equal 0. In other words, we've got a one-sided p-value that we've been trying to calculate, and we've been given a two-sided one by Excel. And since the p-value is just telling us the probability of getting a value more extreme than the one that we've got, when you go from a double-sided test to a single-sided test, that gives you half as much chance of getting a value that extreme. So all we have to do is note that the x3 variable of beta 3 is in this x3 row. Come across and get the p-value here. Note that that's a double-sided p-value, and so we divide that by 2, and that's going to give us 0.172 instead of 0.344. So the only thing you could possibly get wrong is to accidentally put in 0.344, which is not our answer, it's exactly double it. So, simple enough.